Business runs on money. Finance is the blood of business. And while 80 percentage of people's time, 80 percentage of entrepreneurs' time, it goes arranging for money, looking for money, waiting at the banks, running after the bankers, chasing debtors, chasing even the creditors for more credit period. And this activity takes up lots of time of people. However, issue is not with the you know not having finances or having lack of finances. Issue is people don't know how to channelize the money. And in this video, we are going to discuss the same thing. How you can leverage not only your money, but the money of people, other people's money. See, business is all about channelizing other people's money, other people's resources, other people's time, because that is where the fun begins. If you can use other people's money, leverage it, you earn, they earn, then that is the best place to be in the business, because you are getting money that is required for your business. You are growing your business, you are building your business, you are scaling your business, you are getting benefit out of it, and others who are giving you money, they are also getting benefit out of it. However, in my past 21 years career, what I have seen is when it comes to money, entrepreneurs, their focus is fixed on one thing. They run after uh, banks, they run after lenders, they run after money lenders, they run after creditors for greater credit periods. However, they ignore the best resource, and that best resource is business itself. Let me show you how you can do this. Let me open my mind map. In this video, we are going to discuss this. First of all, I will show you the concept of money, how the money you can channelize from other people through an IPO. Then I will show you how you can get that money, and at the end, I will show you your next logical step also. So let's begin. First things first. See, as we have discussed, finance is the blood of business. Without finance, without money, there is no business. The second thing is your debt is burden. Whatever debt you are incurring while running your business, it is a burden for your business. It doesn't take your business ahead. Actually, it stops your heavily, people's funding are heavily skewed towards for getting funding from the banks. The issue with the banks is, no doubt it involves too much of paperwork, but you do not get any leverage on your assets. Usually banks will fund you 60% of your asset value, whereas you have invested 100 rupees in your asset, you are earning out of that asset. Besides, there is an opportunity cost of the money that you are paying to banks as interest, as EMIs. It incurs, it creates a pressure, monthly pressure. Every month you are under sheer pressure of paying EMIs, paying interest, and sometimes, by running after banks, running after your money lenders, you lose your self-respect also. See, these things are very, very important in your business. So let's see how, other people's money you can leverage, how you can leverage other people's money. And the first thing is, why you should leverage other people's money, and especially why you should go for an IPO. Let me show you. First thing is, you will create your burden free business. You will not have any paperwork, no monthly EMI pressure, no monthly interest pressure. Then if you are, if you are burden free, then you will be able to concentrate on scaling of your business. You can scale your business. You have proper control over your business, because if you are, taking money from banks, they require many things: quarterly statements, monthly stock statements, and many other things they require, and sometimes things. So they control how they, where you can use that money they have landed. But here you have full control over the money. You can utilize it for the scaling of business to the benefit of the business. Next thing is, it is money on demand. See, if you are going to banks, and they will lend you as per their convenience. This is money on demand. It is money whenever you require. Remember, if you remember, we had talked about banks funding only 60% of your assets valuation. Here, whatever assets you have, you can charge some cash flow, and the people who are investing through IPOs or even private equity, they will give you a premium on these assets which are generating cash flow for you. Yeah, then while listing, you can have listing gains. You can start creating wealth. If you have not created enough wealth, this is your wealth creation, and it will appreciate your wealth over time. So this is why you should go for listing of your company. This is why you should leverage other people's money instead of running after financial institutions, banks, money lenders. This is your chance to make it big. And let me tell you what are the requirements of listing. There are only three requirements. One, you should have a profitable business. That is the first and the foremost requirement. You should have a profitable business. You should have an existing business. And the most important thing is number three, and that is you need an expert guidance. Because without expert guidance, it is very easy to get lost. In our community, to our clients, last year we have done some around 15 IPOs. Our clients, they get the expert guidance, not in terms of only IPOs. Besides, we guide them in terms of increasing profitability. We also guide them in terms of their operational excellence, their marketing, their branding. Because I've got around 21 years of experience, and I've had my 7 startups, and I have exited with 142x profits. So I know how these things work, how you can grow your business, how you can leverage your cash flow, how you can build a brand. So my clients are getting benefit of that also. So this is the most important thing. Now, who is, IPOs are not for everybody. Let me tell you, who is this not for first. This is not for the people who just are running after money. They want others' money, and they just don't want to do anything. If you are looking for easy money, if you are just looking to take others' money, this is not for you. This is not for the people who don't want to work on business. They are just looking to get some finances so that their life becomes easy. It is not for you if you are doing that. If you're looking for some easy money, free money, then also this is not for you. Now, the question is, then who is this for? Let me tell you, this is for the people who wants to build a business, who want to scale the business, who want to create a legacy. This is for the people who want to generate wealth for the generations, who want to do something for the society. This is for those kind of people. This is for the people who want to create wealth. This is for the people who are coachable, who understand the value of expert guidance, who actually know what an expert guidance can do in their business, and people who have got basic understanding of cash, finance, marketing, and operational excellence. If you have got a basic understanding of all these things, then this thing is for you. This is the easiest way to leverage other people's money. And nowadays, even government has earmarked some 15,000 crores of fund to invest in small and medium companies who are bringing in their IPOs. If you are a small business, even then you can bring in your IPO. If you are a medium scale business, if your turnover is 30 crores, 50 crores, 1 crore, with the proper expert guidance, you can bring in the IPO. And it is something which is, with one time investment, you can have required funds for life. And this way, you are also helping the society, because the people who will invest in your business, they will also gain the benefit of your expertise. So this is, in a way, you are fulfilling your social responsibility also. The next two logical steps, if you want to learn how to scale your business, how to take your business to next level, we have been working with Jay Abraham also, we have been working with Rick Sheffran also. And if you want to get the benefit of expertise of all these great people, what you can do is you can visit amitkumaroparalia.com, and you can visit, and you can learn how to take your business to the next level. If you don't want to do that, if you want to get this free goodies which I'm giving on YouTube, what you can do is you can like, subscribe this channel page wherever you are watching this, and you can set alerts so that whenever I am putting in something new which is useful for your business, you can get the notification and you can go ahead with it. Now, if you are really a kind of entrepreneur who is looking to scale your business and you want expert guidance, what you can do is you can like this and you can comment below in the comments IPO 3 words. My team will contact you. They'll set up a one-to-one meeting with you and me, wherein I'll be checking on your fitment, whether you qualify to have an IPO or not, or if you qualify, what it is going to take you to get to that level. If you do not qualify, don't worry. I'll also guide you on what you should do next to qualify to get other people's money in your business. So if you like this video, please comment below. And if you have learned something out of this video, then also I would request you to do is I would request you to post your biggest learnings into the comments below, so that I also come to know what you have learned in this video. And we will meet again next time. Bye bye.